Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about find options present in editing tab of MS Office Word. So how find works and how we can use it we will learn in this video. For this, first of all we will take some data like this. Now if we want to search a word from this data, we can use find for that. We'll click on it and we'll write the word that we want to search. Suppose I want to search so I will click on it, find next. We can look here, the word is highlighted, so again we will click find next, and one by one it will highlight the word the present in the text. If we want to highlight all the, in that case it will highlight all the present in this in these paragraph. And if you want to clear highlight, for this we will click on clear highlight. One more option is here. If you want to search the occurrence of word the in selected paragraph, for that we will go to this option find in, and we'll say find in current selection. So occurrence of this word will be highlighted in current selection only. But if you want to search in entire document, for that we will say main document. In that case the occurrence of word the will shown or will highlighted in complete document or entire in full document. Now one more thing is here, we can look here, it starts searching from here and searching the occurrence of word the also, which is subpart of some other words, like it is not the, it is these. So it's looking this word occurrence in some other words also when it is subpart of a word. If you want to stop it and we want to look or search the word the complete word the, in that case we will go to more option and we'll say find whole words only. Now the whole word the will be searched in this paragraph. For this we will click find next, and now we can look here, it will represent or highlight only the word the which is whole word, not subpart of a word, like this. Now second thing is this, if we write like this the in capital letter, so it's searching. But if we say match case only, in that case word has finished searching the document, the search item was not found. It means now the find dialog box or find option will search word the in this paragraph, not only its spelling, it will also match its case also, means it will look for a word the present in document in capital letter which is not present here. So it's saying the word is not present in this document. So if we check this option match case, it also matches the case of word that we are looking for in the paragraph. Next is wildcard. With the help of wildcard we can match a pattern of word from the document like this. If I want to search a word like the, so I will say it is a word the which start with T, contain one letter and last letter is E. So now we will say find next. So we can look here, the is searched because its starting letter is T and letter is E and middle letter is H. Again we'll say next. Now it will show all those words also which contain patterns like this, means starting word is T, end word is E and middle word is a single character, middle letter is a single character. So in this case it will look also the occurrence of this pattern in some words when it is part of a word, like this. Find next. So by the help of wildcard we can match a pattern also. If we say we have to look a word which occurrence or which contain 3 characters and after that a space will be here. So it will look for a word which contain 3 characters, and after that there is space, like you can, because it contain 3 characters and fourth character is space. Like also, and also LSO contain 3 characters and after that is space. Like format, MAT contain 3 characters and last fourth character is space. So we can look pattern like this also. So these are the use of wildcard character that we can use. Means we can search a word from the document with the help of a pattern, and each question mark indicate a single character. Now match prefix, it means we can match a word with the help of prefix character. Like if I am saying that represent or show all those words which start with th keyword, so it will show all the words which start with th, whether it is the, then, there. We can look here, them, it also contain starting word as th, that. So all the words starting with th will be highlighted or shown with the help of this option. If we say match suffix, in that case it will show all words ending with the pattern given in the find word box. Like I'm saying, search all the words which ends with he. So the is like this, again the, we can look here. If we say we have to look a word like this which contain de at the end, in that case it will look like this: include, provide. So we can search with the help of prefix as well as postfix option also. Now what is the use of this search up, down and all? In case of down, it will start searching from top and will move toward the downside like this. We can look here, it is moving toward the downside. If we say search upward, it will search toward the direction upside from bottom. If we say all, in that case it will start searching from the current position and will move toward the downside, and after finishing off the entire document it will again go back to the starting of the document and will start searching up to the current position from where it started searching. So this it is the use of all command. Beside this, with the help of find, we can use these characters also, like paragraph marks. If you want to look paragraph marks present in this document, for we will click find next. So it's showing it is paragraph marks, it is paragraph marks. But to look all these paragraph marks, first of all we'll click on this button. So it will highlight all paragraph marks. Now we'll press Ctrl F. Find command is, find shortcut key is Ctrl F, find. It is shortcut key for find, Ctrl F. So we'll click on it and we'll press Ctrl F. Now we'll say find paragraph marks. So we can look here, it's showing all the paragraph marks which are like this. If we say tab character, in this case it will look all tab characters present in the paragraph, but here is no tab characters. So for this, first of all I will put some tab like this, and then again we'll press Ctrl F and we'll look tab character. So it will show tab characters one by one like this. If we say any character, in that case it will show all characters, whether it is ABCD or space or tab or numbers, anything, and punctuation, all these will be represented with the help of characters. If we say any digit, for this digit must be present in the paragraph. So first of all we will insert some digits like this. I inserted some digit here, Ctrl F, and now we'll say find digit. So it will look for digits now like this. If we say find any letter, now it will look for letters only. Letters means alphabet A B C D only, not numbers. With the help of alphabet, it will not look for numbers, only for characters. So like this we can search some special characters, paragraph, marks, tab, space. We can look for space also like this. I think that command is present in it. White space. So if we click on white space like this, it will search all the space present in the document and will show you all the space present in the document. So this is the find command that we can use to find a word or a letter or some other things from a text or paragraph or from a file. So it is very helpful command of MS Office Word that we can use in different way. We can use with the help of match character and so on, as I told you all these things in this tutorial. So I think this tutorial will be more helpful for you, but still then if there are some problems and if you want to ask something, you can ask me through a comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos or to learn more topic like this. Thanks for watching.